everybody, today we are making boats that can hold pennies on water. So we're going to make some boats. We've got all sorts of different materials, and then once we've made our boats we're going to put them in the paddling pool and gradually add pennies to each boat to see how many pennies they can take before they sink. So it's a little bit of an experiment. As you can see, Lila has already got started here. Zara has selected her materials and I'm about to help Sky with hers. So we will check back in shortly once we've started making our boats. Okay, so this is Sky's boat. The boat is called Chelsea because she likes watching Barbie. And she's made these lovely sticks to go in the boat as well.
Yeah.
And she's making another fancy stick, right?
And then it can be more fancy.
Okay. And do you think it's going to float on the water okay?
Yeah, because I put something on it. I put down so it can't.
Because you put the foam, okay. And what about yours? Hi there, Zara.
Oh hi. This is mine. It's got like some pillows inside, and I'm just attaching these to the sides to help it float.
Oh, it's called the Cruiser, and you've got some comfy cushions inside.
Yeah.
And that's where we're going to put the pennies, okay?
The pennies are going to be nice and comfortable on that boat ride.
On the Cruiser.
Yeah, I just need to make sure.
This is Mummy's boat. This is my boat. This is called Champ. Champ is basically made out of tin foil. And then I've got a pipe cleaner, a little wooden stick, and then some tissue paper, and a bit of string. We had got some quite thick outdoor weatherproof tape that we've been using. But with this activity, you can use whatever materials that you've got at home. Yep.
I'm using the pipe so they can float.
We're going to put them in the paddling pool, that's right.
And let them outside so it can get more hot. So
we've already put the water in so it can start to warm up, haven't we? Because you want to get in afterwards. Okay, let's have a look over here at Lila's. So over here we've got two boats you've been making. This big boat is called Floaty Boaty. Wow.
Yeah,
we haven't used the weatherproof tape for this one. She's used normal sellotape, so it'll be interesting to see how that holds up.
And I've got, it's just made out of foam.
It's made out of foam, okay.
And then we've got one.
So this was foam we had at home already because we use it around our window units. So yeah, we decided to use that. But I have been doing all the cutting. So if you're a child and you're making a boat and you've got something tricky to cut, so like this hole in the top of the plastic tub, it was a bit sharp, so I cut that for Zara. So if you're doing something a bit tricky, make sure you get an adult to help.
Now this is Fantastical Elastical. It's got some elastic bands here, and then it's got loads of sticky things, and then I put loads of the waterproof tape.
Okay then.
And also there's a hole here to put the coins in.
Wow, okay. So it's going to be really interesting to see how these boats work out. As I say, use whatever you've got at home, any empty containers that you've got, you might want to use, elastic bands, string, straws, anything that you've got at home that you think would be useful. We've got some cardboard.
And you also use water tape. And I'm using this to float so it can't sink.
Well, let's see what happens. So this is the first boat. This is Sky's boat, Chelsea. As you can see, it floats, which is lovely. But apparently if it's too heavy with too much stuff in it, it sinks. So we're going to be adding all the other boats, and then we will be, let's check they all float to start with. And then once we've done that, we can start adding coins. So we're going to put in Floaty Boaty next. Will it stay afloat? Yes, it does. Lovely. There's Floaty Boaty. Okay, now we've got Fantastica Elastica. Oh, yeah, that's just about floating. It's a little bit lopsided. Okay, what's going in next? The Cruiser. Oh, there goes the Cruiser.
Oh.
And oh dear. Oh, that one. Yep. Okay. Kind of tipped over. Right, we need to just go and get the other one as well. Okay, the final boat going in is Champ. So this is my boat with my little captain hamster here. Woo, Captain Champ. And We've got, oh, Floaty Boaty's going nicely, floating around there. Here comes Chelsea boat. What one's this? The Cruiser. Ooh, spinny. And Fantastica Elastica. Now, they've all got a little captain. Most of them have got a little captain in them. Let's hope they haven't chosen captains that are too heavy or it might affect the results. We've got our record page ready to mark how many coins each one can hold. Shall we start by adding 5 to each one and see how they cope with 5, and then we can gradually increase them?
Yes.
Yeah. So can you put 5 coins into each of your boats? So Floaty Boaty first. 3.
Now I need 2 more coins. It's over
I've
there.
got 5 coins.
Here we go.
I've got 5 coins for the
1, 2,
cruiser.
3, 4.
Coins. Okay, so we're going for 10 coins this time.
Okay, got it. And they've all got 10. Pink has 1 pound.
Oh no, oh no. Chelsea's float. Oh, Chelsea's subsided. Oh, Fantastica Elastica has also sunk. Ah. Okay, so we have 2 boats are out of the coin race. They can just float around for fun.
I'm gonna put some more
Okay.
in the cruiser. 1, 2,
Pop all those coins out so it can float.
3,
So did you do Floaty Boaty? Has that got 15?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
4.
So far Champ's got 15
The cruiser's
and the Cruiser's got 15 and Floaty Boaty's got 15. The other 2 are out. Okay. 16,
got 5 more.
17,
Still alive.
18, 19,
I'm trying to
20.
spread the cruiser.
Okay, Champ can
split
take
out.
20. Floaty Boaty can take 20. What about the Cruiser?
2 more. I see a hole.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the cruiser can
Okay, so they're all up to 20. Let's keep going then. Let's try and do 25.
Okay, they're all at 30.
Hang on, have I oh no, do you know what I think I'm sinking? I think we're taking on water here. Champ.
All done. 1, 2, 3,
Floaty
4,
Boaty's
5. 1, 2. Please, the cruiser. Please, cruiser. Survive. Oops, last coin. 5.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
40. We're all at 40.
Okay,
The cruiser's still floating very well.
we're going for 45 people.
Right, they're all at 40 back
1, 2, 3, 4,
I'll just put an X when they're gone.
5.
And
Okay.
the final scores. I need the final.
Okay, I'm up to 45
Well,
with
we're
Champ.
doing 45 now.
Yep.
What, you think we'd stop?
Well, Champ, stop. Oh no! Oh, Champ is submerged. It's a shipwreck. Ah. Oh, you're rescuing the shipwreck. Thanks, Sky.
She's rescuing the.
Oh, take the coins out. Take the coins out.
We need to get the cruiser
Thanks.
to 45.
There we go. Champ's just going to sail around with no coins. Thanks.
Oh my god. Okay. Or both okay, so we're going for 60 then.
Now I think I'm going to go in the other area because I feel like it's not balanced enough in this area. So I'm
Okay.
going to keep going in this area.
Okay, this is super impressive. So
both
the
got
Floaty
70.
Boaty and the Cruiser are holding 70 coins each. Shall we go for 80? Should we be really ambitious?
Yeah, let's go for
Go
80.
for it. Let's go for 80.
So grab 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I've got 10. Please, cruiser. We might stop at 80, not sure yet.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is getting ambitious. Oh my god, I'm scared.
It's at 85. 1.
Oh my god,
75.
2. It's at 70.
Oh my god.
Floaty Boaty's got 80 and the Cruiser has 80.
Should we go?
Whoa. Okay, should we go for 85?
The cruise is sinking a bit more.
Let's go for 85. Come on. It's a race to the finish.
Maybe stop?
We're going for 90. Okay.
No, I'm going to stop at 100. We should stop at 100.
Yeah.
Coins for that. We did.
Well, we could. I'm sure we can make it. Right.
Oh my god, I'm going to make mine go to 90.
Oh, Floaty Boaty's starting to look a bit worse for wear now. Oh, I wonder if Floaty Boaty... And so's the cruiser. Oh, wow, look. Eee. They're both looking a bit dodgy. What happens if I make a few waves, I wonder? Ooh, it's wavy day.
Cruiser's still up.
Can they cope in the rough seas
Can
of the
they
paddling pool? Looks like it's going.
It's at 95. Come on,
96.
100.
Oh, the cruiser. I think it's going. I think it's going.
Last one.
Don't hold it
got
up.
to 100. It's at 100.
It's at 100 and
I actually am missing
sinking,
2
I believe.
coins. You're missing 2 coins? Yeah. It's not fair.
oh, it's sunk at 100. Okay, so Floaty Boaty is at 100. Let go of Floaty Boaty. Let's check Floaty Boaty can hack it. Let's put a few waves in here. Whoa. Yeah, Floaty Boaty is holding 100 coins. Excellent. Well done, Floaty Boaty. I think as Floaty Boaty is actually holding those 100 coins, Floaty Boaty is our winner. So the girls have loaded up Floaty Boaty with all the coins we had,
198.
which is 198. So Floaty Boaty is the clear winner because it's still busy floating along with 198 coins plus Captain Kit. So well done to Floaty Boaty and Lila.